let's begin. ls, let's go. Directory. A little bit bigger. See check. Directory. YouTube. Constructor. CV. Ramen. We're in touch. App.js. And then SPL dot. Cool. Alright, so let's create a constructor. First things first. So, what is constructor? A constructor is basically we're gonna create some objects, right? Object 1. We'll give some stats like name, Jason, and then let's do is he good looking? Handsome? It's true. I'm very handsome. Age, undefined. Because I don't reveal my age. It's fine. Alive. True. And what else? And then we're gonna create a second object. So it again. This gets tedious though. Object 2. Let's call this guy Peter. And then we can create a third object. This gets very, very tedious. Create a third object. Let's create chew. Alright, cool. So how will we simplify this? So let's create an object. Let's create a constructor, I mean. Function. Let's call it human. And we're gonna do this. So this name equals to name. And then this handsome equals to handsome. This age equals to age. And this, we'll use prototypes for functions. And this alive equals to alive. So let's pass these in. The name, handsome, age, alive. Okay. Let's create some new ones. Alright, first things first. We're going to, let's just console log all these objects. Console log object 1. Object. Actually, we can just for loop it. We'll just loop it. For long. 2 variable equals 3. So we do num for each function I console log object plus I. See it. Node JS. For each is not a function. How could for each be not a function? Forget it. Let's do a for loop. 4. And then just do position or the length. 2, 3. And we'll console log object. I think this does not work. It just do console log 1 by 1. It does not work. Object is not defined. Okay. You can't do it like that. We'll do a for in loop. Like, forget about it. Never mind. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So we're gonna console log each one. So it'll be object 1, object 2, and object 3. Let's do that. console on all of them, but let's do it this way. Make it prettier. What am I doing? Oh, wait. There we go. See? 3 objects. And so we don't want to do this, so it's just too annoying. So let's create the same thing. Object 1. So it'll be new human. We're gonna pass in the name, Jason, comma. It's true. I'm always handsome, no matter what. And you find my age and alive, true. And then we create a third object, var object 2. Actually, we'll copy and paste this part again. It's been the bottom, so it's the same thing. So that's how objects work. And we'll create new human Peter, and should I make him handsome? No, he should not be handsome. His age 11, and he's alive. No one dies. My apps. I don't know. I'm just doing bogus attributes and do John. And we'll do the third object. Save, and then we're gonna do it again. So there's up. I should press up. So you get the same stuff. Object 3 is not defined. So that's what the whole point of this. So yeah. So you rather do this or this. The constructor makes your life so much easier to create objects. So this will save you a lot of lines. So it's 22 versus like shorter. And now we're going to do some functions. Let's go, I think, human prototype dot speak equals to function, this function, console log, speak, no, actually, says hi. Let's do this name says hi. Let's try that. So object. Let's make object 1 speak. Object 1 speak. And we will hide the rest. Okay. Hide this. Okay. We will speak. Jason says hi. See? So you can use prototype to, extend it with different kind of functions, and that's one way to do it. You also could put it in here, but it's better that way because pretend you have like a library outside and you can't molest it. Let's just do that. How about that? Or just create a library and not molest it. So we'll do touch. Let's call this library.js. Cool. We got that made. We're gonna copy and paste this guy over here. X and call this library.js. Human, and we're gonna require it. So let's go var. Let's call this library equals to require dot slash library.js, and we should get the same thing. It should work. Oh, fork. Oh, fork. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Speak. Oh, it's called human. Human. Let's do that. That does not work. Oh, nuts. So that does not work that way. Boy. Alright, forget I said that. So, I'll fix it later. I think it does. I'll fix it later. So, library. Try that. Should work this time. Okay, that works. This one. So that's how you extend that. Let's try something. So console log touch me. So console log. Hopefully this works. It should be blah. Does not work. Fine. Try modules on exports. Actually, I've done the code for that right now, so one second. Should be just exports. Should like that. Should. There you go. Should work. You want to below though. Too much naming. There you go. Too much nesting. So that's a library. So forget about prototypes. I don't know what the hell I'm speaking about. There's a lot of mistakes in this tutorial. You're probably gonna dislike, but you know that's how objects work for a constructor. And you can also add more functions in here, like this That's how you do that. And then another way is prototype. So, this ends my tutorial. Thanks for watching, and that's about it.